guys, welcome to my channel again, and I won't waste much time. Let us begin how to solve this. In the last video I have said when you get these type of groups of question, it is letter analogy actually. So first write down all the terms in column wise direction, that is B, K, M and C, J, N, and you have to find out what is actually the relation between RJT and this question mark. Okay, in the left side I will write the positions like B is 2, K is 11, M is 13, and in the right side I will write like C is 3, J is 10, N is 14. Yes, and just identify what is the relation between these two letters, right? B plus 1 it becomes C, and K minus 1 then it is J, and again here it is plus 1, M plus 1 is N. So the logic behind is plus 1, minus 1 and plus 1. So here also maintain the same relation to get the question, get the answer which is required for this question. And in the left side I will write R is 18, J is 10, T is 20. It's plus 1, minus 1 and plus 1 logic, right? 18 plus 1 is 19, 19 is yes, and 10 minus 1 is 9, 9 is I, and 20 plus 1 is 21, 21 is U. So answer for this question is yes, I, U, and option is C. I think it is there. Yes, option is C, S, I, U. I will move to further question. Question number 7. So what is the thing first you have to do? Write it in column wise, HCM and FAK, and find out SGD and what is the relation between these. Identify first relation between H and F, C and A, M and K. In the left side I will write H as 8th position, C 3rd position, M is 13th position, F is 6th, whereas A is 1st and K is 11. What is the relation between these? 8 minus 2 becomes 6, 3 minus 2 becomes 1, 13 minus 2 becomes 11. So logic behind this is minus 2 logic. So the same relationship you have to maintain to find out what is actually the asked question is. In the left side I will write S as 19, G as 7, D as 4, 19 minus 2 logic I have. 19 minus 2 is 17, 17 is Q, and 7 minus 2 is 5, 5 is E, and 4 minus 2 is 2, it is B. So my answer is Q, E, B, and option is, I think it is there, yes, it is option D, Q, E, B. I will move to next question, guys. See here, again I will write in the column wise direction FARM, HARM and JARM, and I want to find what is the question mark is. So when you look at this question, only the first letter of each will change, right? And in the second letter it remains same as AA. In the third also it becomes RR. In fourth it remains same. So the first one here also in the options like JARM, the second, third and fourth letter remains same as that of the previous letter groups, right? So only the first F changed to H, right? So it is like F is 6, H is 8, right? So it changed by plus 2. Here also maintain the same plus 2, and there is no change for A, no change for R, no change for M. J plus 2, J is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12, 12th one is L. So my answer for this question is LARM, right? The option here it is there, yes, option C, that is LARM is my answer. Let us move to next question, guys. Hurry up, we will be very fast enough. So again I will write in the column wise direction E, I. Next F, J, you have to find out what is the question mark is. Here I will write C, C as 3, 3rd position, G is in the 7th position, E is in 5th position, I is in 9th position, right? So what is the relation between this and this, or in the vertical direction also. This is one of the important questions, because I will say why it is very important, right? 3 plus 2 is 5, and 7 plus 2 is 9. If I use the same concept for here, that is f is 6, g is 10, right? If I use the same logic, that is plus 2 here, what happens? F plus 2, 6 plus 2 is 8, becomes h. J plus 2, if I use the plus 2 logic, 10 plus 2 is 12, it becomes L. But my answer, actually by using this logic I got the answer HL, but it is not there in the option. You know what to do? Then reverse the direction. Like now I have found the relation in horizontal direction, right? So find out the logic in vertical direction now. So C to G, what is the relation? 7 minus 3, it is 4, right? Yes. Next, E to I, what is the relation? 9 minus 5, it is again 4, right? So what is the relation between F and J? It is 10 minus 6, it is also 4. Then I must get an answer where there is a difference in vertical direction must be 4. So when I consider option A, right, it is L and M. L is 12, M is 13, so difference is 1, it is not an option. When I consider B, it is I and J. I stands for 9, J stands for 10, the difference is 1, it's also not an answer. And what about C? It is G and K. G stands for 7, K stands for 11. What is the difference? 4. Yes, it may be the answer. GK may be the answer. Let us see the last option, J and K. J stands for 10, K stands for 11, difference is 1. So my actually by vertical logic I get, it must be, the logic must be 4. So for this my previous logic, C holds good. So the answer for this question is option C. Answer is GK and option is C. Okay, let us move to next question. So again I will write in vertical direction A, B, A, next E, C, E, right? Again I will write on here. See here, in this type of question you must again I will write it in the vertical direction A, B, A and E, C, E. And for next relation, they didn't give anything here, right? So you have to find out in these options which is the better. So first you find out what is the relationship between this and check in the options whether the same relationship is maintained or not. Okay, A belongs to 1, B belongs to 2, again A belongs to 1, E belongs to 5, C is 3, again it is 5. So 1 plus 4 is 5, 2 plus 1 is 3 and 1 plus 4 is 5. So it is plus 4 plus 1 and plus 4 logic, right? So when I consider option A, it's like L, M, I will write it in column wise itself so that it is better understand. You can understand it better. L, M, L and N, O, N. What is the relationship between this? L is 12, N is 14. So it is differ by plus 2. But my logic is plus 4, right? A and E plus 4. So it is not an option. Just leave that option. Next, go to B. It is I, D, I and O, F, O. Find out I is 9. Whereas O is 15. What is the difference between these? That is plus 6. So my logic is plus 4 at the for the first letter. My logic is plus 4. It is not an option then. Just remove the B and go for C. It is P, Q, P and S, T, S. P is 16, S is 19. So difference is plus 3 here. So option 3 also not an answer. So remaining is option D. D is the right answer for this question. But let us see how actually it matches to my um, logic. My logic is +4 +1 +4, C, and next CDC, and GEG. Stands for 3, D stands for 4, C stands for again 3, G is 7, E is 5, and G is 7. So 3 plus 4 will becomes 7. Yes, it's my logic. And next 4 plus 1 becomes 5. Yes, it is also there in my logic. 3 plus 4 again it is 7. It is also there in my logic. So for the letter given, which is for the question which is given here, A, B, A, and E, C, E, the option C holds good for the same relationship. Thank you so much, guys. Let us solve some other questions. In next video I will discuss SSC-JE question paper and we solve it together, and hope it's actually helping you guys for cracking the government examinations. Thank you so much.